how to invest in the S&P 500 from Nigeria using Bamboo. Step 1. Fund your Bamboo wallet. You click on add money. You can either fund your Bamboo wallet with your USD wallet or Nigeria wallet. If you are funding it through the Nigeria wallet, you click on Nigeria wallet, click on the amount you want to deposit. Then click on deposit and select the payment type, be it direct bank transfer or Nigeria debit or credit card. You can either choose the two by clicking on direct bank transfer, then click on copy the account number. Then you move back to your Nigeria bank app and input the account number, make the payment, and your money will be sitting inside your Nigeria account. Step 2. Go to the invest section, click on UX stocks, then click on SPY SPY. Right here, you click on it. After doing that, you scroll downward to see the details. As you can see right here, we have our SPDR S&P 500 ETF trust in an estate train fund incorporated in the US. The ETF tracks the S&P 500 index. The trust consists of portfolio representing all 500 stocks in the S&P 500 index. Now, to do so, you click on buy. Now, before you can invest, you have to deposit like I said earlier. Then, after you make the deposit, you can now start investing. Review your order and confirm. You check the estimated amount you are investing, review the order and place it. If the market is closed when you buy, your order executes once it reopens. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to invest in the S&P 500 from Nigeria using Bamboo. Thanks for watching.